So this is a KATA practice. We're going to use a little sample. So this is for thinking, or more accurately, the obstacle is the process of thinking. And as we go through this little exercise, we're going to see that really this applies to anyone. So the learner could be anyone. And the coach in this case would be leaned on, or leaned on. I like that. So let's just pretend that this is right now, and it's what's bugging you. We ask, is it measurable? And then we want to change and improve our thinking about what's bugging you. But instead of maybe making it random like that, let's just take a real life example. So late delivery is habitual. Habitual is a bad word maybe. Let's just use, it's a habit. You've been giving instruction, and why isn't the fix done is what you're asking. So managers, it could be anybody. Employees can be frustrated by this. So better delivery times to meet customer demand would be what we expect. And what we're going to look for in this today cycle is we're going to watch the product move through the process. Where does the process instructions come up short, or what's actually happening? We actually want to see what's actually going on. So here's what we're going to discover, is that there's a barrier, and it was disguised or covered. People didn't want to show it, so you didn't really see. But as you walked through the process, you could see actually how the order was bottlenecked. Not a complete surprise, but now you're going to try to document it. You're going to look at the numbers. You're going to see what actually got produced, what time, how things merged together on the shipping dock. Things weren't queued correctly. So what did we learn today? There's a lot of conflicting demands on shipping maybe, and who has 2 points in the day that are freight sensitive. So the shipping person, I have one person. So what are we going to try tomorrow is really how this works. So tomorrow we're going to measure, tomorrow, let's not be hypothetical. Let's say we're going to make a suggestion instead of just measuring. We're going to look at moving brakes up earlier, and we're going to send department helpers from other departments to work on it. So again, this is a sample.
So we're going to slow it down for a quick second. That example, the first one, was for production where things are visible. You can see the operation. In the office, that's not the case. Generally, teams working together have a lot of thinking that goes on, and maybe we're not working together. We use this same form to get the teams to work together. Look at this sample.
So it's a PDCA cycle record in this different format, 4 columns. So under today, it is what is bugging you. We're going to start with that, what we hope to expect. Well, we want to change our thinking as a team, as a group. So what are we going to do? Well, we're going to look at what happened after we lay out what we expect. And we're going to see, can we fix the team's thinking on a particular problem or process? And what we find is when the process of thinking is illuminated and everyone can breathe easier and there's less friction, we end up with better results. So the point is, in this example, is that by processing our thinking, we're able to hurdle what we know is the knowledge threshold that holds back teams.